Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. Today I wanted to bring you a video about our OneSupport Desktop Tool. You can use this tool to troubleshoot, diagnose, and repair any issues with your computer on your own. All of the features that I'll be going over today are included with our OneSupport monthly or annual service plan. So enjoy. Alright, so first you're going to want to click on the OneSupport client. And then once it loads, you'll see in the upper right hand corner of your screen the three lines. That's going to be your menu. You're going to want to click on that and then click on Troubleshooters. Over on the left hand side of your screen, you'll see all of our troubleshooters that are available to you. You see troubleshooters for issues with your computer running slow, if you're unable to access the internet, if you are receiving system errors or crashes, power and battery issues, display and sound issues, printing keyboard and other issues, and frequently asked questions. You do see malware cleanup there, but it's important to note that that's only available to our OneSecurity subscribers. So we're going to go ahead and click on My Computer is Slow and go over the tools within there. So you see here you can run a full PC tune-up. Now what that will do is that will fix your trouble areas. It can defrag your hard drive, it can repair your Windows registry, and it can free up disk space by deleting useless and duplicate files. The next one you see is our browser optimizer. What this will do is it will check for and install updates for Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, and Opera, and it should clear your cache files as well. Right below that, we have our virus cleaner, which again is only available to our OneSecurity subscribers. However, below that, you'll see our ATF cleaner. The ATF cleaner is a non-invasive program that looks for files listed as temporary files and removes them from your system. Usually temporary files are removed whenever you restart your computer, but modern protocols means that this rarely happens, which is why cleaners such as this are required. So next we're going to click on Can't Access the Internet over on the left hand side. In here you're going to see we have wireless fixes for known Wi-Fi issues, wired networking fixes if you're connected via an Ethernet cable, and browser cleaner and reset. And this should clear your cached files, clear your cookies, clear your saved form data, and reset your browser. You should keep your bookmarks. However, any saved form data would be lost. So if you have saved username and passwords, those are going to be gone and you're going to have to re-enter them next time you launch your browser. So now let's go ahead and click on System Errors or Crashes on the left-hand side. Here you can see we have Windows Update fixes for errors associated with Windows updates. That's going to take about 10 minutes to run. We can reinstall your Flash player by clicking the Execute button next to that, reinstall Java, and we have Windows Media Player fixes here as well. So now let's take a look at power and battery issues. When you click on that, you're going to see we have two options. We can reset your power options, which will fix problems with your computer's power settings, and we can fix your sleep or hibernate settings. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the display and sound issues that you're able to fix on your own with our software. So within here, you're able to fix Skype audio and webcam issues. You can fix common sound or audio issues with PCs. You can fix common display issues. You can fix touchscreen issues and distorted 4K resolution. Alright, so now let's take a look at printing, keyboard, and other issues. Here we have common printer issue fixes. Right below that we have common HP printer fixes. Below that we have webcam fixes. Right below that, issues for your CD and DVD drive, keyboard or touchpad fixes, blue screen issues, issues with your USB ports, if you're having issues with your Metro UI app, and if you're still running Windows 8 and your app is malfunctioning, we can fix that. And black screen issues if your if your DVD or CD drive has stopped reading discs, and print spooler fixes. Okay, so right below printing keyboard and other issues, you're going to have malware cleanup. Once again, this is only available to our OneSecurity subscribers. So let's go over the FAQs. Here, we're going to have links to Quicken support, Adobe Photoshop, QuickBooks support, Windows Movie Maker, Windows 8.1 tutorials, Windows Word tutorials, Excel tutorials, Windows display settings, how to change wallpapers, and how to change taskbar settings. Alright, well that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions on what else our software is capable of or how you can upgrade from OneSupport to OneProtect or OneSecurity, visit us at OneSupport.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.